I'm telling you what is direct speech. Direct speech when the words of subject are presented in the same way according to the speaker, we can say, then it will be direct speech. And indirect speech when the words of subject are not presented in the same way, they are presented according to the speaker in their own terms, that is called indirect speech. Here definition I have written here, that you will see. After that I am telling what is direct means. Direct speech can be divided in two parts: reporting verb and reported speech. That I am going to tell you. You see, when the words of a subject are presented in the same way as they are, that is called direct speech. Like Ravi said, I am going. It can be divided in two parts. We can see here. This part means the part which is out of inverted comma, that will be a reporting verb. A reporting verb. The part which is given in inverted comma, this will be a reported speech. Means again I am telling, the part which is given in inverted commas, that will be called reported speech. The part which is out of inverted comma, that will be reporting verb. When the words of a subject are not presented in the same way, they are presented according to the speaker, that is called indirect speech. Here you can see Ravi said that he was going. Means actually what Ravi had said, the speaker has converted into his language. Means what was written, what Ravi had said, that is in real words. Means that actually those words are written what Ravi had said, and what Ravi said, that was converted according to the speaker, that will be indirect speech. Now I am going to tell you how to convert direct to indirect speech. First I am telling, if reporting were given in present or future, then tense of reported speech will never be changed. First see, suppose that he says to me, Mohan has gone. Then here means that first we will recognize which type of sentence it is. Actually it is a assertive sentence. So here I am telling you after that how many kinds of sentences are and how we will change into indirect speech. First you see please, it is assertive sentence. So here it will be tells me. One thing you have to remember, here reporting verb will always be changed if it can be changed. But if it is given in reporting verb given in present or future, means if it is here says, will say, says to, like this, if it is there, then it will be changed here. But tense of reported speech is never changed. Here we will apply that. And Mohan has gone. Means after that, they will say to me, Rohit is my friend. Look at here, so they will tell me that Rohit, tense of this will never be changed. Is my will change according to they. Means here it will be dear friend. Again, you will see please, if it is given reporting verb given present or future, then tense of reported speech is never changed. Now, if the tense of reported speech means if the universal fact is given actually in the reported speech, then also tense will not be changed. You can see here, suppose that my father said the sun is very hot. Then we will write here, my father said that the sun is very hot. Again, I am telling these all type of sentences which I am writing over here, they are assertive I have taken. So we will remove inverted comma, that everywhere I am applying, because assertive sentence I am taking. I am telling you after how many kinds of sentences are and how we will change. Means when we will remove inverted comma, then after what we will apply. Means here assertive sentence, so that everywhere I am applying. And if reported speech given means the actual fact it is given, then universal fact it is given, then the tense of that will also not be changed. Another example, if the tense of reported speech given historical event, then also tense of that will not be changed. Suppose that the teacher said India got its freedom in 1947. The teacher said that India got its freedom in 1947. Means teacher said that India got its freedom in 1947. Again I am telling, if the reported speech given with historical event or historical fact, then the tense of reported speech will not be changed. And fourth sentence, suppose that if the reported speech given means the tense of reported speech, so that it is given actually means habitual sentence it is given. If habitual sentence is given in reported speech, then the tense of again it will not be changed. Suppose that he said the dog bark at strangers. Then he said that, and full same sentence we will write. Means he said that dogs bark at stranger. Means here no change. Tense of reported speech is not changed. In starting I told, if reporting were given in present or future, then tense of reported speech will not be changed. If reported speech given with any universal fact, then also tense of that will not be changed. If reported speech given with historical event, then tense of reported speech will not be changed. If reported speech given with any habitual sentence, then also the tense of will, the tense of that will not be changed. Now I am telling how when I will change means when the tense of reported speech will be changed. Now I am telling and how I first we will see if one thing more, if reported, if here means reporting verb given in past means suppose that a reporting were given in past, then tense of reported speech will always be changed. How I will change that I am telling. After that I am telling you how to change the means, how I will change pronoun and rest of the things how I will change. I am telling first we have to see how many kinds of sentences are actually these sentences which I have taken here. Example, they are assertive sentences. So how many kinds of sentences are? First we will see them and how they will be changed. For if reported speech, reporting verb given actually in past tense, then tense of reported speech will always be changed. First kind of sentences over here I am writing. After that you will see please. The sentence which I have taken in starting, I told you in starting also that those all sentences I have taken. Assertive means after removing inverted comma, that everywhere I have applied. Here kind of sentences I have written over here. You can see assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, and imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence. Optative sentence means 5 sentences are given here. First, I am telling how you can recognize. Suppose that optative sentence here may can be given and sign of exclamation mark means sign of interjection mark. If it is there, then optative sentence will be there. Exclamatory sentence only sign of exclamation mark means interjection mark will be there. Then exclamatory sentence imperative, if imperative is there, then it can be started with, it can be started with let, it can be started with kindly, please, it can be started with don't, it can be started with first form of verb. If first form of verb don't, let, please, kindly, if these starting with these type of sentences, then that will be imperative sentence. And only question mark if you are finding, then interrogative sentence it will be. And rest suppose that these four clues you are not finding, then that sentence will be assertive sentence. After that I told you if reporting verb given in past tense, if reporting verb given in past tense, then the tense of reported speech will always be changed. How it is going to be changed, that actually I am writing here. You can see how I am going to change you. First, assertive sentence actually I am taking and I am telling you how you will convert into indirect. I am telling you if reporting verb given in past tense, then reported speech, the tense of reported speech will be changed according to as I have written first form, second form, had plus third form. Is MR will be converted into was verb, and was verb actually you can see here has have will be changed had, and was verb will be changed had been. First form, second form, had plus third form, and has have will be converted into had been. Do does will be second form, and second had plus be 3. The rest part actually it is not finished. In 2-3 videos I will try to finish it. How much I have told you, you see nicely. After that rest part I am telling you in next video. Till then, goodbye.